Samsung is introducing the new Galaxy S25 series with the addition of a Plus variant. This Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus is going to be one of the best choice for budget-conscious users. Galaxy S25 is coming with the extremely fast chipset Snapdragon 8 Elite with an 4.47 GHz octa-core CPU, and that's why there is no need to worry about the performance. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The smartphone is coming with dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2x touch screen display with massive 6.7 inches screen size and resolution of 1440 by 3120 pixels. Refresh rate is 120 Hz, 2600 peak brightness, and for best graphic results there will be GPU of Adreno 830. Samsung S25 Plus is fitted with 12 GB of RAM and 256 and 512 GB of internal memory capacity. The smartphone comes with a large 4900 capacity battery. The design of the camera modules in the Galaxy S25 Plus looks similar to the previous series, and there is a triple camera system back on the phone. Main sensor is 50 megapixel and second is 12 megapixel and third is 10 megapixel sharp sensor and a bright LED flashlight. On the front of the phone there is a 12 megapixel camera. There will be an under-display ultrasonic fingerprint reader for phone security. Other features are Android 15 operating system, IP68 dust water resistant. That's all for now and thanks for watching.